Today I will be discussing with you the channel coding technique in 5G. So, first of all, why the coding is necessary for the wireless channel. The coding allows the bit errors introduced by the transmission of a modulated signal through a wireless channel to be either detected or corrected by a decoder in the receiver. The coding can be considered as the embedding of the signal constellation points for the higher dimensional signaling space than is needed for the communication. The channel coding plays an important role in achieving the higher data rate in order to have a fast and error-free communication. Since the data transmission occurs in an imperfect channel environment, therefore the selected channel codes must have an excellent VLER performance in a specific range of block lengths and code rates, and the low computation complexity and the low latency and low cost and high flexibilities are desired for the coding scheme. The channel coding performance. The code performance is also commonly measured against the channel capacity. The capacity curve is also associated with the SNR, signal noise ratio, or the you can say A, or where the channel capacity B log base to 1 plus SNR equals to the data rate of the system. We can see that at the data as the data rates up to the capacity achieving code or has the probability of error that goes to the zero, which indicated by the straight line as shown in the figure 1 and in the Shannon limit. That's the figure shown the diagram. The capacity curve thus indicates the best possible performance that any practical code can achieve. Now we are comparing the study of the channel coding scheme. There are turbo codes, polar codes, and LDPC codes. First of all, I will be discussing about the turbo codes. The turbo codes encoder is built using the parallel concatenation of the two recursive systems, systematic convolution code and associated decoder using a feedback decoding rule. Due to the lower error probability performance with 1 dB fraction from the channel limit, relative low complexity turbo codes are being used in the variety of applications such as deep space communication. Although it is being used in 3G and 4G, it may not satisfy the performance required for the EMBB for all the code rates and the block lengths as the implementation complexity is too high for the high data rates. Discussing about the LDPC code now. The LDPC codes were originally invented and published in 1962 by Galler, and they were not in use until it was rediscovered by Mackey in 1997. He showed that the empirical performance of LDPC code can approach the Shannon limit similar to the turbo codes or even better. The LDPC codes are the linear codes, as the name suggests, has a sparse parity check matrix consisting of low density 1s. Yes, due to the sparsity of the parity check matrix, LDPC codes have the relatively simple and practical decoding algorithm. And due to their excellent ability to achieve theoretical limits of channel capacity, LDPC codes are currently being used in many communication systems such as DVM S2, 802.11n Wi-Fi allowing MIMO, and 802.16e mobile WiMAX, etc. Polar codes. The polar codes were introduced by Arkin in 2009 and they were in first probably capacity achieving codes with low encoding and decoding complexity. The polar codes outperform the turbo codes in large block lengths while no error flow is present. The concept behind the channel polarization in the polar codes is transforming the n copies of transmissions of the channel, like example say additive white Gaussian noise channel with a symmetric capacity of to extreme channels of capacity close to the 1 or 0. Out of n channels, I fraction will become perfect channels and I minus I of W fraction of channels will become a completely noisy channel. Then the information bits are sent only through the good channels while the inputs to the other channels are made frozen into the 1 or the 0. The amount of channel polarization increases is with the block length. The polar codes have better energy efficiency for the large block lengths than the other codes. Now, comparing the two best competitors as in the 5G coding, LDPC code and Polar codes. The LDPC code has been adopted by 3GPP for the user data in EMM scenario, and it is suitable for the large block length and for the high code rate. And while the polar codes has been adopted to control the information of EMBV scenario, and it offers an excellent performance with a variety of code rates and code rate. The pro In NTPC codes, it has a high throughput, which is the requirement of EMBB case. And LTPC shows inferior performance for the short block length, which is less than 400 bit, and low code rates is less than 1 by 3, and hence not suitable for URLLC and MMTC scenarios. The channel coding requirements for the 5G scenarios. There are three major 5G usage scenarios, that is EMBB scenario, URLC, and others. The EMBB scenario, enhanced mobile broadband emphasizes on human-centric use cases to access the high-speed services, data, and the multiple multimedia contents. It supports much higher wide range of code rates, that is ranging from 1 by 5 to 8 by 9. The code length and the modulator orders. The channel code with excellent performance for the large block lengths is more than 10,000, and high-speed decoding is preferred for the EMBB use case. In the URLC scenario, the information block length size of the code should be small, and the low code rate is required is less than 1 by 3. The error flow should not appear for the block error rate, that is higher than 10 by 10.5. The code should have the robust performance over the various fading channel with a strong burst error correction ability. The code should have an acceptable decoding complexity as well. And the last scenario that we have is MMTC. In this, the channel coding scheme for MMTC, we need to support a code with a shorter block length, 10 to 100 of bytes, and the lower order modulation of QPSK, energy efficient and low complexity encoding and decoding. LDPC code, that is the best code that has been adopted for the 5G. The 5G NR LDPC codes are QC-LDPC, that is quasi-cyclic LDPC code, which belongs to a family of protograph codes. A QC-LDPC matrix is characterized by the parity check matrix H, and it consists of small square block lengths with a zero matrix or circulant permutation matrix. We use the protograph based A3A codes, which are lifted by the using progressive edge growth algorithm to obtain the desired length. We decode with the message passing decoder using the scaled min sum algorithm, where the outgoing message for each check codes are scaled from factor zero point 0.8. The protograph contains the punctured variable nodes, and hence the decoding occurs over a large parity check matrix, which is considered during the calculation of the decoder complexity. The features of 5G LDPC codes, it gives us high performance and HARQ capability. It effectively reduces the size of encoding and decoding the graph when the operating code rate is high, which helps us in the realization of high throughput, low decoding latency, and large range of data rate and block length. Some of the applications of LTPC codes are as follows: Deep Space Optical Communication (DSOC). The technology is under the development and is also a project led by NASA. This technology provides to enhance the performance around the 100-fold as compared with the ongoing RF radio frequency technology, with no impact on the power requirement. And UWB, non-coherent communication. Non-coherent detection gains a lot of attention because of their simplicity, non-requirement of estimating channel coefficient, which makes the system power efficient too. WiMAX networks LDPC codes find their application in enormous wireless standards, including WiMAX worldwide interoperability for the microwave access, VLAN wireless local area network. And last, I would like to conclude that channel coding is considered to be the most crucial element in the wireless communication, and the factors that are being considered when choosing the coding scheme is such as latency and encoding, decoding, energy efficiencies, and the area efficiency. In current implementation of LDPC code of 5G scenario shows the relative good performance in both the areas of area and the energy efficiency. The 3GPP Radio Access Network RAN meeting says that LDPC codes were agreed to be adopted for both the uplink and the downlink of EMBB data channel. Thus, we can say LDPC and the polar codes are securing much more observation because of their inherent advantage of the excellent bit error performance and fast encoding and decoding procedures, which makes them the stronger contender for the 5G channel codes too. Thank you. At last, I would like to say thank you.